Imagine tomorrow you could control your lights with nothing more than your voice. With the Nanoleaf Smarter Kit, now you can.
Hey Siri, turn the lights on in my bedroom.
Okay, the lights are turned on.
Lighting has been around for 2 million years. That's when our human ancestors actually learned to control fire, eventually evolved into incandescent light along with the Industrial Revolution. Nowadays we're dealing with LED technology, and of course the human society has evolved rapidly along with that.
You could say commands like, turn my lights down to 10%, or you could set scenes like snuggle time, right, when you want to set the mood for something.
It's not just a matter of function, it's so much more about how we actually live our life, what we do, how we do it, when we do it.
We take our design very seriously. We work really hard to take a lot of complex technology and put it into the simplest form factor to be able to create the simplest conveniences, like being able to turn off your kitchen lights while you're lying in bed.
We understand lighting. In the 2 years that we've been around, we have won multiple awards in categories for energy efficiency, as well as product design and the light quality of the product. We designed this product to be future-proof, and we do it by allowing software updates as well as using open protocols. And the open protocols allows this product to work with a range of other different products. The idea and the philosophy behind this is that we don't want this product to end up on the landfill in the next 1 year. It's going to be working with existing technology, with future technology for the next 30 years at least, and give you great, beautiful light.
When we started Nanoleaf, our first goal was to create the world's most energy efficient light bulb, and our technology has evolved. Lights on. We believe this is the future of lighting.
Hi, my name's Anthony, and I'm a founding partner of Mighty Audio. Mighty was born from personal frustration with the current on-the-go music experience. Several years ago, I ditched music downloading for music streaming. The only thing missing after I switched was a seamless and integrated experience during my workouts. Fast forward to today, and every option to stream music still requires a smartphone while exercising. We all know how annoying it is to work out with a bulky smartphone, and phones are only getting bigger, more expensive, and consuming more battery life. And heaven forbid if you drop your phone. iPod shuffles are still around, but they don't have any streaming capabilities, and let's not forget the painful syncing process that requires cords and computers. I was shocked that there was no product out there that solved my problem. So I thought to myself, well, if no one else is going to create this product, then I'm going to give it a shot. Mighty is very easy to set up. Syncing music never requires cords and computers, just Bluetooth and your smartphone. After you download the app onto your phone and turn on the device, the app will automatically detect your device to pair with via Bluetooth. Once connected, you'll be asked to sign into your account. After logging in, you can sync all your playlists onto the Mighty device in the same way that you would sync playlists for offline play on your phone. On here, you'll see all your current playlists as well as how much memory you're using. After a quick sync, your music is on your Mighty and you're ready to go. No more phone required at this point. We honestly think a screen is unnecessary. We are proud to be the first ones to bring a device like this to market. We're ultra focused on this one problem, and we want to solve it elegantly and simply. Music is a part of almost everyone's life, and so we want Mighty to be the bridge between your music and your fitness. So if you've been asking yourself, why doesn't this exist? Please help us make this product a reality. Say goodbye to your smartphones and iPod shuffles, and be Mighty.
The average office. A place for work and creation. But in recent years, a new hazardous phenomenon has arisen. It is known as the screen-slouch. This is a screen-sloucher. Look at him, slouching in front of a screen. Here is the female screen-sloucher, slouching in front of a much smaller screen. The slouching makes her appearance less confident. Her back aches, every day for 8 to 12 hours, slouching is an inherent part of the office habitat. This is Upright Go, a small wearable that helps the slouchers become upright. It is the simplest way to improve your posture. Just stick it on your back and press the button. That's it. Upright will vibrate every time you slouch. Look at the effect it has on the Screen-slouchers. Such a smile has not been seen on their faces for a long time. Since Upright Go sits directly on the back, it is the only device that truly senses the back. It's also the only posture trainer that works no matter what you're doing, sitting, standing, or walking. Oh look, one of the Screen-slouchers has discovered that if you press the button once more, Upright Go switches to tracking mode, a mode that doesn't vibrate when you slouch, but still keeps all your daily posture data in the Upright app. Incredible! To conclude our research, we returned to the office 2 weeks later. The results were astonishing. After 2 weeks, being upright became second nature. Here is one sloucher 2 weeks ago, and here he is now. See how much more confident and better looking he appears. Notice also how he doesn't suffer from back pains. Oh, we're in luck. It seems the male ex-sloucher finally feels confident enough to approach the female ex-sloucher. Exciting. So, if you too wish to stop being a Screen-sloucher, get Upright Go. Incredible how in only 2 weeks... Oh dear, we've been spotted. Abort! Abort!
Hi, my name is Oded Cohen, CEO of Upright. When we started Upright 3 years ago, we were just 3 founders with a mission to help people correct their posture and prevent back pain. Since then, Upright has shipped thousands of units of our professional products to happy users. Our team grew to 20 engineers, designers, and marketers. But our mission hasn't changed. We want to help more people have better posture. That is why we decided to create a more casual version, the Upright Go. Now, in order to put it in the market, we need your help. If you care about your back, support us and get Upright Go. I promise, you'll love it.
Have you ever felt annoyed when you need to find a cable out of your bag? And when you get it, they're all tangled together. It's just a waste of time. We're here to solve this problem.
Hey guys, this is Dave from Nifty X. After the previous successful campaign, we're now introducing Nifty X Awesome Bracelet, the second generation.
Our Niftix wearable cable can actually be worn on your wrist, and it's easy to be taken off to charge your device.
Nifty X Awesome Bracelet is a cable that you can actually wear on your wrist. If you're always on the go, then you should probably get one.
Our cable bracelets are all hand braided in genuine leather with the finest craftsmanship. We have Niftix Awesome Bracelet that can work as a charging cable while looking great on your wrist. People wouldn't even know you're actually wearing a charging cable. Our Niftix bracelets are not only a charging cable, but also can be worn as an accessory to match your style.
By the way, they are weatherproof.
Please support us now and get yourself a Niftix bracelet.
Are you looking for a backpack which evolves with your day-to-day needs? We present to you Energy Sack, a backpack that transforms with every facet of your on-the-go lifestyle. Energy Sack is an effortless synergy between design and utility. Energy Sack is packed with many amazing features, but if we had to pick our favorites, it would have to be the detachable solar panel and the theft-proof GPS tracker. You by yourself can become a source of power. With a detachable solar panel, you will never run out of energy on your quest to catch a moth. In this uncertain world, the GPS tracker takes security to the next level. With the click of a button, you will always know exactly where your backpack is. Energy Sack is also loaded with hidden pocket, smart card holder, night safety reflectors, weatherproof, key organizer, and much more. Packed with features, designed with style. Energy Sack, the ideal backpack. Help us make Energy Sack a reality. Support Decode.
Elicto has spent years at the forefront of innovation in an effort to simplify the lives of our loyal consumers. Following the release of the successful Elicto electronic spin mop and polisher, we decided to create something bigger, better, more sustainable, and most importantly, something that integrates seamlessly into your daily life. Introducing the Elicto ES430, the next generation of intuitive home cleaning. It's stronger, yet saves more energy than ever, featuring dual-powered rotating motors and a higher, more efficient voltage. Unexpected stains are no match for the ES430, becoming obsolete in seconds. The innovation allows you to get on with the things that matter, multitasking like a pro thanks to more flexibility and easier operation. With a 90-degree adjustable handle, you only need one hand to get the job done. Just one click releases a spray of liquid of your choice. Its water tank is large enough to last for as long as you need it, leaving no stains. Anyone can master the art of this super convenient sprinkling mop method, enjoying cordless, tangle-free operation. Now you can reach all those hard-to-access areas in a heartbeat, turning a previously challenging task into a quick, easy breeze. The Elicto ES430 functions effortlessly on every surface of every room of the house, featuring a professional waxer for heightened care of your floors. It's like investing in a brand new floor every day. Slip under couches and chairs with ease, lighting your path with advanced LED lighting. We light every corner for you. The best part? No noisy operation or disturbing sounds. It's not too good to be true. It's Elicto, the smart way to clean your floors.
Every product has a creation story, a legend, so to speak, about how things came to be. This story is one of rebirth.
The first thing I say when people ask if I'm designing a hoverboard is, no, it will not catch on fire.
One family saying the hoverboard they bought for their son ignited.
Many youngsters this year want a hoverboard, but
exploding have customers
UK has been recalled because of this issue.
So why would anyone in their right mind make another hoverboard? Well, it came to life when this aerospace engineer and this electric vehicle engineer were handpicked by this entrepreneur who believed they could do something better. And so their journey began with the question, how did everyone get it wrong? To figure that out, these guys went straight to the source.
The boards that were coming out of China shocked us. The necessary steps to produce a safe board just didn't exist in these assembly lines. It was how fast and how cheap can we produce these and sell them to America. They were unsafe.
We visited those factories. We saw the bad conditions of not only the workers, but of the manufacturing, the assembly techniques. We came back here and decided that we can do better.
And they did just that. With sleeves rolled up, this team hit the reset button, determined to avoid mistakes of the past and blaze a new path to the future. So from the ground up, they built Move from scratch. Right here, in the good old US of A.
Everything is custom designed to make not only a unique ride, but a completely safe product.
Traditional hoverboards really seemed like toys. We wanted something more robust, more sturdy, something that felt solid underneath your feet.
You heard him right. This board is no toy. It's a machine built to be ridden. With a solid platform and larger wheels, Move is ready to hit the trail. And when you need a break, it's easy to safely hop off and carry, making traveling with Move a breeze. You might wonder if it suits all types of riders. Well, Goldilocks, they thought of that too.
One issue that we saw with traditional hoverboards was new riders seemed to struggle to learn to ride the board. What we developed was custom ride profiles that would help the new riders learn, but yet gave the advanced riders the nimbleness and quick ride that they were looking for.
Carving with Move feels different. Intelligent ride sensors help the board feel like you're skiing, skateboarding, or even surfing, just without the waves.
This board is really fun to ride. It's not just getting you from point A to point B. It's allowing you to have fun while you're getting there.
Being outside, just being on the open roads, there's not much like that.
So this is Radical Move. Smarter, stronger, better. And unlike the 71 Ford Pinto, this pony won't blow up. The future is here, and it's on the move.
We are the founders of ShaveFace. We're a men's grooming company that is dedicated to helping you save a bit of money and also help the planet out at the same time. We've created a strop out of denim and leather. Normal strops that barbers use are designed for straight razor blades, but we decided to make one that you could bring into your home and use in your very own bathroom. I really love the design of this product. We make it here in America out of raw denim, a really thick gauge leather, brass, and then we actually physically by hand take a branding iron and make this on every single one. When you're using the strop in your bathroom, you can put it on a towel rack, you can lay it down on a counter, and then when you're ready to travel, it rolls right up and you can toss it in your bag or in your dop kit.
Plus, it has two sides. Just in case anything happens to the first, you still have a second side.
I get so frustrated having to switch out my blades all the time because they get dull and out of alignment. What the strop does, it realigns the blade, so I get triple the life out of my favorite cartridges. Now annually, I'm saving up to $100.
In New York City alone, there are about 3 million men that shave. If only 10% of them use the strop, we're looking at savings of about $26.5 million per year. Also, we're looking at saving about 16 million blades, and that's enough to equal the height of the Empire State Building about 235 times.
We have a $24,000 goal that will help us fund our first round of production, and we really hope that you'll be a part of our Kickstarter.
So please, tell your father, your brother, and all your friends to help us out.
Save money, save planet, shave face.